Hello, good morning, students.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Hello,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello. Good morning. Good
Good,
afternoon.
af- Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon, ma'am.
Voice is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now, what we were studying, what we have done on last turn, future tense, na? Future
Yes,
tense
ma'am.
was going on. Beta, give me some time. I will adjust it. Then I will start the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Because in the morning class, my mobile has fallen at least 5 times in the class hall. शिट निकल जाता है बार ड्रेस अगर ये होगा ना डाउन बर्स्ट आएगा देन टेल मी ओके फ्यूचर टेंस बोर्ड इज क्लियर टू यू
Yes, ma'am.
देखो मेरे ही हाथ में आ गया आज मोबाइल मेरा जाएगा थोड़ा सा
कॉपी नहीं तो लगती इसका।
क्यों ये गिर रहा है बार बार इसको सही कराना पड़ेगा बार बार चेयर पे ही रख के हाँ देखते हैं ये यहाँ से फिसल जाता है, इसमें से ये इसमें से फिसल. Okay, now yesterday we have done यहाँ पे लगा दें.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम.
गुड आफ्टरनून बेटा, गुड आफ्टरनून. चलिए, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस वी आर लर्निंग. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस डन, हैज बीन डन.
Ma'am.
Yes beta, yes beta, yes yes.
This exercise we have to do in copy or not?
Yesterday exercise D, don't talk, D and F. We have done the D and F. Yes, do it. Do. D, in D you write top 5. In D you write top 5 and in F also write top 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Molishka and Romana, I have checked your copy. You see your copy, lots of mistakes are there. And one student's copy, I have not remembered his name. All of you open your copy. Those who have submitted their copy, see, there was incomplete work. Manthan is absent. No, not that Manthan. Not, see, I am, oh, that student's work was totally incomplete. See, I have made question mark there. You all complete your whole work. सभी अपना complete. Oh, you all complete your whole work. Okay. Now come to that F exercise whole completed, beta. F exercise whole completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Now firstly write the definition. What is happening there? Why are you doing like this? Natik, keep your bag there and you sit here. Take some space in sitting. Every day I am saying this. Pizza. Future perfect continuous tense. Okay. Date is, put date 10/9/21. CW. Class 8. Period 9. And subject English. Grammar. Now,
मैम पीरियड 9 कैसे?
sorry, period 10. Sorry, 10. 10 I have written. I am writing 10 but telling 9. Period 10. Now, write definition. The future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense talks about which began in the past is continuing spelling should be correct. CONTINUING, continuing, and will continue for some time, and will continue for some time in the future. You are a new student. That's right. New student. Today you have come. Yesterday, what is your name, beta? Okay? Done? Is it clear? See, read it.
Ma'am,
Present.
please repeat one more time.
The future perfect continuous tense talks about an action which began in the past, is continuing, and will continue for the some time in the future. ठीक है? Means it talks about that action which began in the past. Na? The action has been began in the past, and sometime it began in the past, and that in the past it was continuing. It was continuing in the past, and in future it will continue for some time. Means वो past में जो action start हुआ, ठीक है, उस समय ये एक्शन चल रहा था, और अभी फ्यूचर में भी कुछ टाइम ये एक्शन चलेगा. ओके? जो भी एक्शन है वो पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुआ, उस समय वो कंटिन्यू रहा, और आने वाले टाइम में मीन्स फ्यूचर में भी वो एक्शन कुछ देर कंटिन्यू रहेगा. ठीक है? शादमान, यू सिट प्रॉपरली. शादमान. ओके? जैसे आज वो 4 बजे से अपनी बुक पढ़ रहा होगा ना, लाइक दिस. सी, बाय टुमारो गुंजन विल हैव बीन रीचिंग होम फ्रॉम लंदन. ना, कल गुंजन लंदन से अब कल इस समय, बाय टुमारो कल तक, बाय टुमारो मीन्स कल तक गुंजन लंदन से अपनी घर पहुंच रही होगी. जाएगी नहीं, if जाएगी then it will be simple future. पहुंच रही होगी, क्योंकि ये भी सर्टेन नहीं है, मीन्स हम कह रहे हैं फ्यूचर में ये काम होगा. ओके? क्लियर? नाउ राइट स्ट्रक्चर. Positive. Singular or plural? Don't speak in Hindi in my class, otherwise I will send you out of the class. Subject plus will or shall. Slash means or. Plus have plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Okay? Okay? Subject plus will or shall plus have plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus since for plus time. Okay? Clear? Negative. Singular or plural. Subject plus will or shall plus not plus have plus be plus V1 plus ing plus object plus
Yes.
since and for plus
Ma'am,
time.
since
Since or for, na beta, since or for. I have told you the use of since or for. Don't ask this again.
no, ma'am, not asking.
Yes, yes, since or for. Now interrogative. Singular or plural. Will, shall. Plus subject. What I have told you, if we are making interrogative sentence, then we have to only, if yes or no, then we have to only put the helping verb first as the sentence, means before the subject. Okay? Plus have, plus been, plus V1, plus ing, plus object, plus since and since or for, plus time,
Question mark.
then question mark. Yes, there should be question mark. If you will remember the structure, then sentence framing will be very clear to you. Okay, sentence framing will be very clear to you.
मैम आपका वीडियो रुक रहा है.
वीडियो ब्रेक हो रहा है. I don't know beta, there will be some network problem. There may be some network problem. Network issue here in this class. My network becomes slow. Okay, my network becomes slow in this class.
ओ मैम. now अब आ रहा है.
Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Clear? Priyanshi, clear? See your copy also. I have checked your copy. See, all things are clear. Whose copy was that? I have forgotten that student name.
Ma'am, in interrogative verb first form.
Yes,
verb
verb
first form
first
लिखा
form.
है.
Yes, yes. Verb first form plus ing. I means verb ing form. Okay? ing हम किसमें ऐड करते हैं? वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म. ओके, कभी भी सेकंड या थर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं ऐड करते. ओनली वी आर एडिंग ing इन वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म, जैसे ड्रिंकिंग, स्लीपिंग, रनिंग, रीडिंग, राइटिंग. ओके,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, come
Yes,
to
ma'am.
exercise I. I is there. No, not. Page has. Just a minute. Exercise G. Come to exercise G. Page number 48. You all have written now? Okay, now come to the exercise G. Exercise G. Fill in the blanks. Firstly, see what you have to do here. Firstly, see what you have to do here. Here, see instructions. Firstly, go through the instructions. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect or the future perfect continuous tense. Now you have two options: future perfect and or future perfect continuous tense. Means anyone, between two, anyone, whatever is suitable according to the sentence. Okay. Of the verb given in the brackets. Of the verb given in the brackets. See, first is by end of the year. We in Mumbai for 8 years. Now, we
We shall
yes,
living
we shall have been living. Okay? We shall have been living.
Living.
क्या कह रहा है कि by the end of this year, इस ईयर के एंड तक we shall have been living in Mumbai for 8 years. हम मुंबई में 8 years से रह रहे होंगे not थे. I hope it raining before the match starts.
It
I
will
hope
have
Ma'am, will have
it will
stopped. Will have
stop
stopped.
raining before the match. मैं होप कर रहा हूँ क्या कि मैच स्टार्ट होने से पहले बारिश बंद हो जाएगी या हो चुकी होगी, नॉट हो जाएगी, हो चुकी होगी, बारिश बंद हो चुकी होगी. तो क्या हो जाएगा? हो चुकी होगी. चुका चुकी किसमें आता है? वो वेयर परफेक्ट टेंस. परफेक्ट टेंस मीन्स वहां वर्क टोटली कंप्लीट हो चुका होता है. तो क्या हो जाएगा? विल हैव स्टॉप्ड. Number 3, the tropical rainforests in 30 years.
Will
30
have.
years.
will
In 30
have
years, in 30
disappeared.
years में ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट खत्म हो चुके होंगे. हाँ, मीन्स द ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट
Will
will
have disappeared.
appear. Yes, will have disappeared. By next week, I this book for 2 years.
I
Right.
shall
I
have
shall
written.
have been writing. By next week तक, I shall have been writing this book for 2 years. मैं इस बुक को 2 साल से लिख रहा हूँगा. तो क्या जाएगा? I
Shall have been.
writing. Yes. Shall have been writing. Next year is Frank and Anna's 25th wedding anniversary. They for 25 years. They marry. क्या हो जाएगा?
They will
Next
have.
year is Frank and Anna's 25th wedding anniversary. Next year क्या है? इनकी 25th wedding anniversary है. They will have been married for 25 years. वो उनकी शादी क्या हो जाएगा? 25 years उनकी शादी को हो रहे होंगे ना, तो they will have been married. Will have been married. The coach by 11 a.m.
Will have arrived.
11 बजे तक आ चुके होंगे. Yes, will have arrived. Will have arrived. Next, Anushka German for 5 years by the end of this year. Anushka will have been learning. Anushka will have been learning German for 5 years. Anushka by end of this year. इस ईयर के एंड तक अनुष्का 5 सालों से जर्मन पढ़ रही होगी. ओके. By the end of this week, I to my new apartment.
Will have shifted.
I shall have shifted. Yes, very good. I shall have shifted. इस मंथ के अंत लास्ट तक मैं अपने न्यू अपार्टमेंट में शिफ्ट हो चुका हूँगा. ओके, लाइक दिस. It is visible to you till the 8th.
Yes,
Board
ma'am.
is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Just a minute. Now visible. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2. 9 number. When their mother returns home at 6 o'clock, Annapurna television for 6 hours.
Will have been watching.
Will have been watching. Will have been
Been watching.
watching. Means when their mother returns home at 6 o'clock. जब उसकी मम्मी 6 o'clock पर घर वापस आएंगी, अन्नपूर्णा वॉच टेलीविजन फॉर 6 hours. 6 घंटे से टेलीविजन देख रही होगी. Now last one. By next week we are home. ना we shall have decorated. We shall have decorated. Redecorated, sorry. Redecorated. Nate, I will beat you very badly. Redecorated. क्या कह रहा है? What he is saying कि next week तक
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Done? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Any problem?
No, ma'am.
If you have any problem, you can ask the questions. Okay, okay, students. Now I am ending up the class. Okay, time is over. If you have any problem, okay, you can ask on my WhatsApp. Okay, thank you, class. Bye. Take care.